Washington, D.C. multi-slide patio doors deliver a premium upgrade for homes, condos, apartments, offices, and retail properties needing wide views, smooth operation, and contemporary curb appeal. For property owners seeking multi-slide patio doors, Washington, D.C. options include custom patio door systems, large opening door systems, folding and multi-slide doors, and architectural sliding doors designed for demanding urban and suburban projects across the District of Columbia. Washington, D.C. residential patio door installation often pairs with residential window replacement, Washington, D.C. vinyl window replacement, and Washington, D.C. energy-efficient window replacement to improve comfort and appearance at the same time. Homeowners searching for residential multi-slide patio door replacement, sliding patio door replacement, aluminum patio door replacement, vinyl patio door replacement, or modern patio door upgrades can choose energy-efficient patio doors, thermal insulated glass doors, and secure patio door locking systems for better performance. Washington, D.C. commercial sliding glass door replacement supports offices, mixed-use buildings, restaurants, hospitality spaces, and storefronts that need durable access points and polished design. Businesses looking for multi-slide patio doors, Washington, D.C. solutions can combine commercial multi-slide patio door installation, office glass door replacement, Washington, D.C. commercial glass door installation, Washington, D.C. storefront door replacement, and Washington, D.C. office window replacement with commercial window replacement and door retrofit services to streamline upgrades while maintaining business continuity. Washington, D.C. luxury patio doors and Washington, D.C. modern sliding patio doors are ideal for high-end properties, new construction, and renovation projects that demand clean lines and expansive glass. Washington, D.C. large format glass doors, Washington, D.C. high-performance door systems, Washington, D.C. custom glass patio door installation, and D.C. custom multi-slide door systems create refined openings for penthouses, townhomes, and executive office suites throughout Washington, D.C. and nearby neighborhoods. Washington, D.C. patio door frame installation and patio door frame replacement are essential when older units show air leaks, damaged tracks, warped frames, or failing seals. Washington, D.C. glass door upgrade specialists can handle glass panel door replacement, patio door hardware replacement, and secure sliding door replacement while improving operation, weather resistance, and long-term value for residential and commercial properties in the District of Columbia. Washington, D.C. soundproof patio doors and hurricane-resistant patio doors help protect interiors from traffic noise, severe weather, and everyday exposure. Sound-reducing patio doors, secure patio door locking systems, and energy-efficient patio doors can be specified with thermal insulated glass doors and upgraded seals for properties near busy streets, transit corridors, and commercial districts where performance matters. District of Columbia patio door contractors provide Washington, D.C. exterior door replacement services, home exterior door upgrades, and Washington, D.C. residential window and door replacement tailored to local building needs. Whether the project requires custom patio door systems, multi-panel patio door solutions, or Washington, D.C. multi-panel patio door installers, the right team can coordinate design, measurement, fabrication, and installation for reliable results. Washington, D.C. aluminum multi-slide doors and Washington, D.C. vinyl window replacement are popular choices for owners seeking durable materials, low maintenance, and strong energy performance. Aluminum patio door replacement works well for sleek modern profiles, while vinyl patio door replacement supports cost-effective upgrades for apartments, row homes, and single-family homes across Washington, D.C., Maryland-adjacent neighborhoods, and regional urban corridors. Washington, D.C. apartment patio door replacement, Washington, D.C. residential patio door installation, and Washington, D.C. commercial glass door installation require experienced Washington, D.C. home improvement contractors who understand local codes, size constraints, and architectural styles. For multi-slide glass door replacement, folding and multi-slide doors, and Washington, D.C. door retrofit services, property owners gain better function, better light, and a stronger finish that supports long-term property value. Washington, D.C. multi-slide patio doors deliver a modern upgrade for homes and commercial properties seeking larger openings, smoother access, and a refined architectural look. Washington, D.C. luxury patio doors, Washington, D.C. modern sliding patio doors, Washington, D.C. large format glass doors, and Washington, D.C. high-performance door systems are ideal for properties in the District of Columbia that want style and function together. Washington, D.C. custom glass patio door installation, Washington, D.C. custom multi-slide door systems, and Washington, D.C. multi-panel patio door installers support everything from condo balconies to townhomes and mixed-use buildings across the district. Washington, D.C. home improvement contractors often recommend these systems for seamless indoor-outdoor flow and upscale curb appeal. Residential multi-slide patio door replacement is a strong choice for homeowners looking to improve comfort, security, and appearance. Sliding patio door replacement, multi-slide glass door replacement, patio door frame replacement, patio door hardware replacement, and residential window replacement can all be part of a complete Washington, D.C. residential window and door replacement project. Washington, D.C. residential patio door installation services help update older properties with energy-efficient patio doors, thermal insulated glass doors, sound-reducing patio doors, and secure patio door locking systems. Washington, D.C. apartment patio door replacement and Washington, D.C. vinyl window replacement are also popular for properties needing practical, low-maintenance solutions in the District of Columbia. Commercial multi-slide patio door installation supports office buildings, hospitality spaces, retail storefronts, and mixed-use developments that need durable, attractive access systems. Washington, D.C. commercial sliding glass door replacement, Washington, D.C. commercial glass door installation, Washington, D.C. storefront door replacement, Washington, D.C. office glass door replacement, and Washington, D.C. office window replacement help businesses maintain a polished appearance while improving performance. Commercial window replacement and residential window replacement can be coordinated with door retrofit services for a streamlined upgrade. Washington, D.C. glass door upgrade specialists and District of Columbia patio door contractors often recommend large opening door systems, folding and multi-slide doors, and architectural sliding doors for flexible commercial design. Energy-efficient patio doors are a smart investment for Washington, D.C. properties exposed to seasonal temperature swings and urban noise. Washington, D.C. energy-efficient window replacement, Washington, D.C. soundproof patio doors, Washington, D.C. secure sliding door replacement, and Washington, D.C. high-performance door systems help reduce energy loss while improving comfort. Hurricane-resistant patio doors, aluminum patio door replacement, vinyl patio door replacement, and aluminum multi-slide doors provide different strengths depending on the building and project goals. Washington, D.C. exterior door replacement services and home exterior door upgrades can also include custom patio door systems and glass panel door replacement for tailored results in the district. Washington, D.C. patio door frame installation and door retrofit services are essential when a full replacement is not always necessary. Washington, D.C. multi-slide patio door replacement, Washington, D.C. modern sliding patio doors, and Washington, D.C. custom glass patio door installation can be designed around existing openings or combined with patio door hardware replacement for a cost-effective transformation. Washington, D.C. custom multi-slide door systems, Washington, D.C. residential window and door replacement, Washington, D.C. secure sliding door replacement, and Washington, D.C. luxury patio doors continue to rank as top upgrades for homeowners and businesses seeking multi-slide patio doors. Washington, D.C. solutions with lasting value, visual impact, and dependable performance.